What's up, YouTube? The Internet Income Ninja here with another Make Money Online video. Hope you guys are staying safe. And if you like the content I'm sharing with you today, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend. This is probably going to be my shortest video, but let's just jump into it real quick. This company called Public Storage is looking for call center sales agents. So you will be assisting customers when they call in. You will be calling them to promote products and so forth, and you'll be earning $20 to $30 per hour full time. Right? So this full time position is actually a position that you can do from home. So you'll be on the phone, and that's where you'll be working from. So as it says here, the Public Storage Company has been established since 1972, and they have thousands of locations nationwide in the US. So this job is for the US only. So sorry about that, international guys, but definitely the next video I'll find something that's in your region. But this is for the US, specifically California, Los Angeles, California, USA. So you'll receive inbound sales calls from customers, understand their storage needs, and recommend an appropriate storage unit. So that's what you'll be doing. So depending on how much stuff or what type of stuff, they have different size storage units, and you'll be recommending the best storage unit for their application. Day-to-day business, you're going to book reservations, attend one-on-one feedback sessions and sales performance, and other duties as assigned. There will be virtual training. The training is paid, so you start being paid on day one, and individual video coaching. The hourly rate is $15 plus monthly bonus of $5 per hour worked, and the bonus is guaranteed during your first year. Okay, so it's 6 weeks paid training, work in the comfort of your own home, comprehensive group healthcare programs, 401k, internal promotional and career opportunities. Alright, so qualifications: 1+ year sales and our customer service experience, call center or phone sales experience is a plus, proficient in Windows-based computer programs, effective communication, proven ability to build customer relationships on the phone, and sales closing skills preferred. So someone will be shopping around for a storage unit. You need to talk to clients and close them on a particular unit and make the company some money, and you will make money as well as you do that. So this one it seems like it's going quickly. Alright, so it says click the apply button to take charge of your sales and service career today, or text PS call to 2500. So that's their number. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link to this website, this exact website below, so you can just click that and be taken to this page. Looks like a great job, and if you want, you could share it with people. You could share it on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, email, Zing, and WeChat. So act fast. They didn't say how many agents they need, but act quickly to secure your position and secure the position of a loved one. But let me say this real quick: if working per hour is not your thing and you're looking for a solution to build an online business that works while you're even sleeping, works while you're out shopping, that works while you're having fun with your family, then check the links below in the description. Click on it, enter your name and email address so that we can update you in future. That's what your name and email address is for. And there will be a free webinar that tells you how you can earn $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, but you can earn $1,000 per day. So if you worked a month earning $1,000 per day, that would be $30,000 for the month. Now think about how much you could do with $30,000 a month. Click the link below, put your information in, watch the video, get the knowledge, make an educated decision. Guys, it's been the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay healthy.